The area of a triangle is calculated with the help of the formula A equals to B times H divided by 2. In this formula, A is the area of the triangle. B is the base, which is actually one of the sides of the triangle. And H is the height, which is a line perpendicular to the base and it goes to the opposite corner. The angle between the base and the height needs to be 90 degrees. So for example, if you use a line that is not perpendicular to the base, your result will be incorrect. Similarly, if you multiply the base with a height that belongs to another side of the triangle, it won't work. So, that is how you find the area of the triangle. You multiply the length of the base with the length of the height, and then you divide it by 2. Now let's do some examples. This triangle has a base of 8 inches and a height of 5 inches. Let us start putting the values into our formula. The base of the triangle is 8 inches, so we write 8 inches instead of B. And the height of the triangle is 5 inches, so we write 5 inches instead of H. 8 inches multiplied by 5 inches is 40 square inches. 40 square inches divided by 2 is 20 square inches, so the area of the triangle is 20 square inches. In the next example, we have a triangle with a base of 11 centimeters and a height of 4 centimeters. Again, we apply the same formula. Let us put the values in. The base of the triangle is 11 centimeters, so we write 11 centimeters instead of B. And the height of the triangle is 4 centimeters, so we write 4 centimeters instead of H. 11 centimeters times 4 centimeters is 44 square centimeters. 44 square centimeters divided by 2 is 22 square centimeters, which is the area of the triangle. Here is another example. By now you should be able to do this yourself. So if you feel ready, go ahead and pause the video to do the maths. We start by putting the values into our formula. The base of the triangle is 9 centimeters, so we write that for B. And the height is 10 centimeters, which we also put into the formula. 9 times 10 is 90. We divide 90 by 2 and the result is 45, so the area of our triangle is 45 square centimeters. And what if we come across an obtuse angle triangle such as the one seen here? Where would its height be? In previous examples the height was somewhere inside the triangle. But in this triangle it is not possible to find a height inside the triangle that is perpendicular to the base. No matter where you move the line, it won't be perpendicular to the base. In obtuse triangles the height is actually outside the triangle. Now let us see the numerical values for the base and the height. The base is 6 feet and the height is 5 feet. We put these values in the formula. 6 feet times 5 feet is 30 square feet. 30 square feet divided by 2 is 15 square feet, so the area of the triangle is 15 square feet. This is how you can calculate the area of a triangle given its base and height. If you want to learn more about triangles or other math topics, feel free to check out my other videos. If you found this video useful, please consider pushing the like button and subscribing. Have a nice day.